Alright, gotta watch out for y'all. Oh, I'm scared. From the timber towns. Welcome to Blackbutt, everyone. We are gonna see what this place is all about today. All right, everybody, so today we're in a town called Blackbutt, Queensland. Now, I went here particularly because of the name. I want to know, is Blackbutt the most racist name that you can have for a town in Australia? Blackbutt. Let's see what we're talking about out here. Blackbutt Delights.
You can just get me looking lovely.
There you go. And y'all too, right? All right, yes, there you go. And this guy over here. Cool.
Woohoo! Promo for life.
All right. Y'all from Blackbutt or what? Where y'all from?
No, we're from Brisbane.
Okay.
Yeah. Just
from the city.
Full on promo. Where are you from?
Well, obviously not from here.
Yeah, well.
Yeah.
So,
no, I'm visiting from the States.
Nice.
Yes, I came all the way out here to see some country people and I talked to people from the city, but you can't have everything you want, right?
Okay, that's right.
Okay, hello, I am Ashley and I'm a local in Kingaroy and I own my own business where I hand make everything eco-resin and everything 3D printed.
Cool. All right, what about you, man?
Just from Caboolture, just visiting for the day.
Just visiting for the day?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I'm trying to fit in myself, you know? This guy's running from the camera, but that's okay. He's gone. That's all right. We already got you earlier. You might get famous. Cool. Thanks, y'all. Appreciate it. Good, man.
No worries.
All right, cool. So what's your name, man?
Anthony.
Anthony?
Yep.
Are you from Blackbutt or where are you from? Out here?
Toowoomba.
Okay.
This is Australia. Anything under 1,000 square miles is just down the road.
Yeah, perfect, man. Cool.
Social, though.
Yeah, that's okay. Oh, here it goes. I gotta watch out for this guy.
Hang on.
Hey ladies, how y'all doing? You want to get on for a little interview about Blackbutt?
No.
Oh, okay. You can say hi at least. Fan?
Yeah, a little thing, yeah.
Okay. Cool, man. I am from California. I'm just visiting though. What about you, man?
I'm from the Caribbean.
Where, Trinidad?
You?
Yeah, there you go. You know?
Yeah.
So y'all playing steel pan and mass and all that stuff down there?
Man.
Okay, cool, man.
You live in here now?
No, I'm just visiting.
Oh, right.
Yeah, so I'm just visiting. I was in Brisbane for a little bit, now I'm back around, but you know, you want to pop something on for the video or something for a little bit? Just for a minute, you know, don't gotta be all that. Cool, man. I'll pop that on. I'll put a little Trinidadian flag in the middle and have a good day.
What's your name?
My name is Mysteryman. All right. So David, I'm assuming from your shirt.
Yeah,
all right. You from out here in Blackbutt or?
No, we're from Kingaroy, mate.
Kingaroy. Okay.
60 kilometres north.
Oh, that's not too far.
We're the local Kubota and Mahindra tractor dealers.
Okay. All right. We'll pop that on there.
Yep.
All right. Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
Okay, Blackbutt, Queensland. I don't sense any racism so far. Everybody seems really nice, but I gotta keep my eye out for the sneaky stuff. Let's find out.
Opal pendants.
I think having, you know, honestly, I can't figure out what they want. I think right now I've probably got to make way from the national time.
So far, so good. Nothing yet. Everybody's really nice. Really, really nice.
Hey, Burger Man. Hey, how you doing? Got you on here, Blackbutt. Thank you. Oh, one more for the hamburger. I'm seeing a hamburger everywhere today.
Let me tell you about these magpies, man.
Hey, how you doing?
I actually think that's a nice hat, man. Like, We're just out here having a good time, man. Everybody's having fun. Let's take a walk around. Let's see what we got. Let's see what kind of adventures we can have. I'm no longer looking for racism. I don't think that racism necessarily is a big focus in this town. Everybody's just out having a good time. They're treating me, they're treating everybody else like they're equals. And I'm starting to like Blackbutt.
Nice. Can you do some moves for me? Cool, thanks a lot. Appreciate that. Thank you.
All right, now coming up is the most exciting part of the whole festival. This one's called the Avocado Hold. Don't get too excited.
Just saying. That's the best time all day, men and women. Righto, ladies, I'll put Joe in out. Righto, he'll start you. Listen to him in the couch in, and good luck.
All right, ladies, are you ready? On your mark. Get set. Go.
There you go.
Righto, we're away there now. 6 lovely ladies holding that avocado bag up. Straight out from their shelf. Oh, I think you've done about 2 seconds, Deb.
If you yawn, I'm not judging you. What they're doing is they want to see how long they can hold a bag of avocados for. I'll wait for it.
Hey y'all, how's it going? All right, just trying to get people on camera here for my my little YouTube channel, man, Mysteryman. What are y'all doing, man?
All right, what you need to do is say something out here for these ladies. I got ladies watching my channel as well. Ladies, if y'all like them, put it in the comments. I might try to get them to holler at you. That's what you need to do.
People chat they want, because they all have different where the placements.
Okay.
And then, so it's, then I get people what colours they want to put on it.
Yeah, man.
And then I'll go through and I'll do designs.
Okay, custom made. You from Blackbutt or what?
Nah, so I'm from Charles.
I can't find one person from Blackbutt, man. All the ones I talk to. Okay, I might even talk to them.
The cafeteria up there.
Okay, cool. All right, cool, man. Sounds good. You got anything to say for the ladies, man? I'll put the channel on for the ladies, man.
Hey?
You got anything to say for the ladies out there?
Yeah, I'm ugly. I'm gonna say that for you.
There you go, man. Thanks, man. I'll pop around here. Hey, ladies, y'all doing all right? Having a good day?
Yeah, we are.
All right. Yeah, my name's Mysteryman. I'm just saying hi. Hi. All right. Hello. Very nice drawings you have going on here, too. Y'all have a good day.
This is going great. I'm having a great time. Things are perfect here. There's no bugs. I'm not swatting any kind of flies or mosquitoes, any of that outback stuff that I expected. Things are going swell.
Hey guys, how's it going? All right, gotta watch out for y'all. Oh, I'm scared. You have any dance moves or anything? No dancing? And looks like we got some Blackbutt royalty. Let's see who this guy is over here. Might be before my time. This is Roy Emerson. So if any of y'all know who he is, big time out of Blackbutt. And speaking of Blackbutt, let's see if it's true.
Oh, nah. Don't do it, man. Don't do it. Why is he talking like that?
This is actually pretty scary, this thing, but...
So, the moment that everybody's been waiting for, we want to know, is Blackbutt the most racist name for a town in Australia? Well, there's a whole lot worse than that. We'll get to those towns sooner or later. But In reality, Blackbutt is actually named after a tree, and that's what they're famous for. They actually have some really, really nice lumber that comes out of Blackbutt, and the name's actually Australian Blackbutt timber. So if you see some fancy furniture around, it's probably made from Australian Blackbutt timber. They import this stuff, export this stuff all over the world. It goes all over the place. So if you see something that says Blackbutt, it's not funny. They're talking about the wood. Let's continue on this journey. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Enjoy the rest of the walking. Leave a comment down there. Subscribe. Do all that good stuff that you need to do. I do these videos out of the joy of my heart. I just like to show people what else is coming around and what they could be missing out on. Man, where are you taking me today, man?